On the second day of Vlogmas, Mother Nature gave to me 2 cute puppies. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy day 2 of Vlogmas. We are out here on the trail. We're on Turkey Creek Trail with the 2 pups. And today for Vlogmas day 2 is 2 cute puppies. So I have lots of footage of the pups because they're very cute. We're a little biased, but you know. And we're just gonna go for a little hike. It's about 3 miles, and yeah, it's a pretty chilly morning actually. Subscribe for more if you want, and let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But
With that encounter, I will say Turkey Creek is an off-leash dog park, so only bring your dogs if they are 1, friendly to other dogs, and 2, good off-leash. And even if they are on leash, they need to be able to get along with dogs that come right up to them, because it's off-leash, so other dogs do that. So that's all I have to say about that.